Hollyland Lark M2 and your Canon T3i. So if you have a Canon T3i DSLR and you want to know what it sounds like using the wireless mic, I'm going to show you how to set that up, and we're going to have a little bonus at the end, so don't forget to watch all the way through. So let's set this up and let me show you what it sounds like, and let's get to it. So in order to connect your microphone, you're going to need this wire that comes with your mic. Okay, either end will work just fine, and then it's just going to go on the side of the receiver right there. We're just going to connect that very easily, and then on your shoe mount, which is right here. Okay, let me demonstrate how that works. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our receiver and we're going to use this part here. We're just going to open it up like that, and these parts go into the cold shoe mount right here. We're just going to slide it in there. It doesn't take very much, and now you're almost ready to go. So on this camera, we have our microphone, and you can tell because it says mic right on there, so very easy to tell which one it is. So let's connect that. Okay, once it's in there, you're almost ready to go. So we just want to go into the menu. Okay, so let's go into the menu, and then we're going to go down to where it says audio recording. See, it's already picking up mic. All right, so you want to make sure you have your audio recording set to manual in order to access the external mic. It'll detect it as soon as you connect it, but if for some reason it's not, you just go into sound recording under manual, and you see it says auto, manual, or disable. So if it's disabled, all you have to do is get it out of disable just by going like that into your menu. I'm pushing the button on the back, and you just want to go into manual, and it'll be ready to go. So you see, okay, so it's picking up the microphone. So now let's listen to it, how it sounds on the camera with the mic, and then we're going to do it without. Okay, so this is the sound of the Hollyland Lark M2. Audio check 1 2 3. Now I'm stepping back. Audio check 1 2 3. I'm stepping back. I'm about 8 feet away. Audio check 1 2 3. Audio check 1 2 3. Now I'm going to walk back. Audio check 1 2 3. And this is what it sounds like with the mic. Audio check 1 2 3. Okay, so now we have disconnected the microphone, and these are the mics on the camera. Audio check 1 2. I'm going to step back. Audio check 1 2 3. Audio check 1 2 3. I'm about 8 feet away. Audio check 1 2 3, and then I'm going to run back. Audio check 1 2 3, and this is the sound from the camera. Audio check 1 2 3. All right. Okay, here's your bonus. So now with the Canon T3i, you're capable of accessing your recording level. So this is your bonus. So if you're clipping, say your mic is too loud and you're in the red and it sounds distorted, the way you can fix that is by going into the menu. So let's go into the menu. Okay, and you see right here where it says sound recording manual. When we go into the menu, you're going to see that if you go towards the bottom, there's a level right there. So you see as I'm talking, it's very, very loud. You can see it's clipping. It's yellow and then red. So we're going to click on that one. And all we're going to do is I'm pushing the button in the back. You see that? So audio check 1 2. And so far, I'm bringing that level down, so we're going to keep going, check, check, check. And you see as I'm speaking, audio check 1 2 3, we're now coming back, audio check 1 2. So it's not clipping red anymore, it's around 12. And that's your bonus right there. That's how you adjust the level on the Canon T3i. If you found this useful, comment down below. And hey, I did a full review and unboxing for this particular mic, the Hollyland Lark M2. It's right here, go check that out. Give me a comment, let me know if this was useful to you, and let me know if you have this microphone. And if you're checking out the videos, thank you so much. I'll see you very soon on this other video right here.